Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to delete search history from your iPhone. So if you want to delete your search history, for example from Safari, so people don't see what you've been searching on the app, you can do that by just going to the Safari app. Let's open that up. Then press the three dots, select bookmarks, and then press on this little clock icon. This is like your recent search history and everything that you've searched for. And you can clear it. There are a few ways to clear it. You can just press on the three dots on the top right, press clear, and select either last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. And basically this means what times you want to be deleted. So maybe you have been looking up something for the past hour that you want to delete, or for the whole day. So after you've done that, after you've selected how much you want to clear, press clear history, and that will be removed. But there's also another way you can remove specific searches. So just go to the day where you searched the thing that you want to delete in, and then swipe to the left on the thing that you want to delete, and then just press delete. And there we go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.